Welcome back to another video. We got an email from Harbor Freight. It says save on creatable new tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, two deals. All right. Let's see here. We got hot new tools. So we have wanted some new tools designed for with the features of performance, durability, Snap-on, DeWalt, Honda, and other new or pro brands, but ridiculous low prices or Harbor Freight prices. New tools are arriving every week. Alright, the first coupon we have is the 25 feet self-locking tape measure. $7.99. If you guys haven't seen my videos, basically what this tape measure does is when you pull it out, it locks by itself. And to release it or to wind it in, I have to do is just press this button. So it's kind of backwards from a traditional tape measure. $7.99 for that. 1000 lumen LED work lights, $24.99. If you guys, I did get the one that's battery operated. It's wireless. It's basically you charge it. It's like a battery bank, something like this, but it's yellow. Like I said, I will be coming out with that next Tuesday, I believe. So stay tuned for that video review. You got the 6-gallon, 4-peak horsepower. They should have just said 4 horsepower. Anyways, wet and dry vacuum, $44.99. Got the 20-volt lithium cordless reciprocating saw, $54.99. You got the 10-amp variable speed reciprocating saw, $59.99. 20-volt lithium ion cordless detailed sander, $29.99. 30-inch 4-drawer tech carts. Yeah, they're available in all colors now. These are really nice. If you don't have money to spend. Me personally, I like the 5-drawer carts. Give you a little bit more space, but you know these do cost a little bit less. So $149.99 for that. Half-an-inch multi-purpose sprayer, $4.99. I gotta get myself one of these and try it out. Sorry guys, my phone is going off. 800 pound capacity heavy-duty hand truck, $49.99. We got the 3/4 ton lever chain hoist, $99.99, and 1-ton manual chain hoist, just under $100 there, and 40-inch working platform, $39.99. Got the 12 by 30 feet bubble wrap, $3.99. Yeah, I have no idea what Harbor Freight it's selling bubble wrap, so could be because they do have moving supplies. Maybe that's why, because they can wrap stuff for moving. That could be it. Universal roof crossbar set of 2, $59.99. 4-inch by 27 feet high, heavy duty ratcheting cargo straps with flat hook, $34.99. And then you got the 7-piece fuel transmission line disconnect tool set, $19.99. 12 feet by 16 color tape LED tape lights, it's $19.99. And then you got the 6-piece diamond tip screwdriver set, $12.99. Yeah, I gotta try these out. Definitely gotta buy these and try them out. I really like the first Quinn set that I bought. If you guys haven't seen the video, I'll see if I can link it up above. If not, then just put Quinn against Pittsburgh tool head 147 and you'll see that video. You got the Rapid Pump 3-ton steel heavy duty steel floor jack, $89.99. Definitely recommend these jacks. These are the new version of the old gray ones that Harbor Freight used to have. They don't have them anymore. Now they have these. So Rapid Pump 3-ton steel low profile. I would definitely spend my extra $10 on this one. Gives you a higher lift and a longer reach and a lower profile. Tool creeper, 30-pound capacity, $15.99. These are great, especially when you're working around, like on the bottom of a vehicle and you're losing all these nuts and bolts and all that. All you gotta do is just have one side for nuts, one side for the other side for tools and wrenches and stuff. Hercules 20-volt lithium cordless variable speed reciprocating saw with LED lights, $84.99. One thing I noticed from Harbor Freight is that they're selling their tools tool only now. So all the tools that they have, including the drills and the impact drivers, they are selling them tool only. I don't know if they're going to be bringing a new line in, maybe a brushless line, or I don't know what they're doing. But pretty much all these tools are tool only, including the drills and the everything's separate now. I don't know if it's a good thing or maybe they're just doing a change or something, bringing new tools in. 20-volt lithium cordless compact blower, $54.99. 21-piece hex titanium drill bit set, $24.99. Variable speed multi tool kit for $99.99. Definitely, we need 20-volt tools. A lot of people use these corded tools, but we prefer cordless tools. So just to let you know, Harbor Freight, we're expecting cordless tools. 15 amp Pro 1 and 1/8 hex breaker hammer kit for $6.99. You got the 17-piece black oxide drill bit set, $14.99. And then you got the 12-volt 2.0 amp hour battery, $17.99. So it is cheaper. We used to have it for $19.99, and this one's the one that we used to have for $24.99. It's only a few dollars off, so $22.99 for that. And this is the 5 amp hour, which is used to be $40, $39.99. It's $37.99 now. That's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.